What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to do a battery change on a Chrysler key. So this key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and then I'm also going to use a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button here on the front, and then that'll allow the key to slide out. We can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our flathead screwdriver, we can kind of get in between these two halves right here and just pry up. And then once you get it started, you can just take it apart with your hand. Now if we look in the back of the shell, we'll see our battery right here. Go ahead and pull that out. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. And I find the easiest way to get this back together is if you hold the back like this and you have your board with the buttons around it, go ahead and set that on there and get that pushed down, and then take your front and put over it and push down. And just make sure that's all the way snapped back together. Grab our key, slide it back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.